Alright, turkey season's back, and it's less than ideal conditions to start here. That's alright. Youth weekend here, April 23rd, I think today is. It's about 5:45, a little late, but it's pouring rain all night, so we decided to get a little bit later jump and not get soaked. Rain should be done here in the next 30 minutes to an hour. Pick up the youth hunters now and hopefully go get one spotted. Should be out in the fields, I would think, but once this rain stops, hopefully they're gobbling for us.
It's the Sunday of New York's youth season here. Waiting for the guys to get here. It's been raining all night long and it's still raining now, but it's supposed to stop like in another hour, so we're gonna head back. I haven't heard anything gobble, but Levi and I were here yesterday morning, heard turkeys gobbling all over the place here, but it did get hunted by a couple groups yesterday too, so when they get here, we'll slip in and see what happens. Spotted some birds out in the field on the walk in. We snuck back here and got some decoys out, and we're waiting to see what happens here.
It's up to you if you want to shoot one. Those are Jake's. Do you want to shoot one? Okay. Stay real still. Whichever one you want, buddy. Take the one on the right that's by itself. Hold on, wait for them to separate. Make sure they're separated. Hold on, buddy, hold on. Alright, the one on the far left. Shoot him. Kill him. Good job, buddy. Good job. Good job, God.
Good job, boys. Great job, guys.
They cocked my safety back for me.
I didn't know if I was supposed to shoot or not, to be honest.
No, that's up to you guys. Those are Jake's, but that's perfectly fine. The Longbeards were scared to come down. That's pretty fun.
Yeah, it was fast.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I could hear him drumming. Did you hear him drumming?
Yeah.
I don't know if they would have came down.
Record it with the main camera because of the rain, but I got it with my.
Oh, I got it good.
Good job, boys. You were fine, man. Great
Nice job,
job,
dude.
buddy. Good job.
Nice shot, buddy. Go check them out.
That's awesome. Just dumped them all, dude. That's pretty sick.
I don't know. As those toms would have came down, there was 8 of them.
Were there longbeards up there too?
Yeah, there was 3 Longbeards.
Were there?
Yeah.
There were, after they shot, there were birds gobbling in here.
Well, you guys smoked them.
Oh yeah, you guys did a great job. That team paid off.
Yeah.
Way to wait for them to get separated too. If they wait through the whole month. Oh, youth season double. Yep, 7 o'clock in the morning. Couldn't film it with the big camera because of this rain, but these boys laid the smack down on them.